Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss gerund. It is a very important topic from grammar. Today we will be discussing gerund with all concepts. Before that, I would like to request you that if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. It will promote my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm starting now. Gerunds, and you people have to watch the video till then you will come to know about what the gerund, how to identify gerund, and how to use gerund in sentences. Got it? So we are starting now. Gerunds are formed by adding ing to verbs. This transformation converts the action of the verb into a noun form. One thing we have to know, yeah, two things. First thing, the verbs are added with ing to make noun. Got it? And when we add ing to a verb, it becomes noun when we use it, right? Otherwise, when we add ing to a verb, it is not a noun. When we use it as a noun in sentence, then it is gerund and it is noun. Got it? Transformation converts the action of the verb into a noun. For example, we have three examples here. Walk, we have walk becomes walking, run becomes running, read becomes reading. Three things. You can add many other examples like smell, smelling. Likewise, you can use, right? Okay, functions of gerunds. This was just example. We could come to know about the structure of gerund. It is ing form of verb and it becomes noun. Got it? Gerunds can serve various functions in sentences. They can function as subject or object, or you can say noun. Got it? We know that subject and object are noun. Okay, are nouns. Now, subject, running is good exercise. One thing. Okay, now there is a sentence and we used gerund in this sentence. Running is good exercise. Now here in this sentence our subject is running and object is exercise. Our verb is it is a linking verb, right? Now running actually is verb. You know that it is a verb, but it is used here as a subject. In this way we can say verb is used as the ing form of the verb is used as subject of the sentence. It is now gerund. Got it? This is gerund. Another example, used as object. We said that it can be used as object. Now, I is subject, enjoy our verb, and reading is object of the sentence. Now, here, object of the sentence reading is used as a noun, or we can say as an object, and this is our gerund. I hope that you have understood this now. One more confusion we have. You know that when we study participles, now participles are also with ing form of verb. Now how can we differentiate which one is gerund, which one is participle? So I'm going to make you clear about that today. Gerunds and participles are both formed by adding ing to verbs, but they serve different grammatical purposes. Okay, one thing we need to know is that both gerunds and participles are added by ing to make nouns or to make gerunds and participles. Got it? So now, how can we differentiate which one is gerund, which one is participle? So we need to know that now present participle. I'm talking about present participle, right? We need to know that we need to know that the usage of gerund is different, the usage of participle is different. We need to know these two things. For example, in gerund, she enjoys swimming. We know that one thing, swimming is our gerund here. This is gerund. Swimming is gerund in this sentence. Functions as a noun. As we said that if a thing, a noun is used as object, the subject of the sentences are our nouns. Got it? We know that. And participle. Participle, either it is present participle or past participle, they are always used as an adjective. Got it? But we are talking here about present participle, right? We have swimming here. We know that one, gerund is, and also participle is with ing form. I will highlight this. Swimming is participle here. How it is participle? The swimming instructor is noun here. One thing we know that when a word comes before a noun to modify it, it is an adjective. Got it? It's an adjective. So participle is adjective, gerund is noun. Keep in mind, participle is adjective and gerund is noun. The swimming instructor is experience, functions as an adjective. We could come to know about this. Now, one more thing. Gerund in phrases. Sometimes you will find gerund in phrases. Okay, I will show you here. Gerunds often appear in phrases where their function as the subject or object of the entire phrase. Gerund phrase: I like swimming in the ocean. I like swimming in the ocean. Now, for example, if we say only I like swimming, it is easy. This is object of the sentence. But we add in the ocean. This is confusing. Got it? Then you will be confused about that. I like swimming. If swimming is object of sentence, then what is in the ocean? Okay, you will be confused. So for this, I will make you understand this part of the sentence. The this after in this part of sentence is called, you can say, adverbial, or you can say complement of the sentence, you can say. Got it? So this is adverbial, not the object, you can say. Indirect object, you can say, but it's not the direct object. Swimming is your object. And this, if we talk about this phrase, you can say, take this phrase as well as gerund phrase, you can say. Phrase, gerund phrase. But you cannot say gerund phrase, but you can use the gerund, you can include the gerund with this phrase, because this is part of this phrase, and it gives complete meaning with this phrase. That's why. Otherwise, we have the only gerund. It is our swimming here. I like swimming, and we know that gerund is always noun. If it is noun, then the swimming is noun here, and I is subject here, like is verb here, and swimming is object, and the object is our gerund with ing form of verb. So I hope that you have understood this video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I'm reminding you that you people have to subscribe to my channel and watch videos everyday basis. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.